Hello, this is Sergio from the ClinicSense support team, and today I'll be going over how to use and read the appointments report. To navigate to the appointments report, you'll want to click Reports from the top menu and select Appointments from the left-hand side. This report can be narrowed down by date range, such as selecting this week, by practitioner, service type and duration, appointment status, such as all appointments excluding cancellations and no-shows, canceled appointments, and of course, no-shows. Additionally, you can filter by client type, such as all clients, new clients, and returning clients. When you generate the report, you'll see a list of all appointments within that date range, including the date of the appointment, the client name, the practitioner fulfilling the appointment, and the service type and duration. Additionally, you'll see the status of the appointment, such as upcoming, paid, due, or canceled. You'll also see a total of the number of appointments, and you can download this report as a CSV or a PDF. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Our email is support@clinicsense.com. Have a good one. Bye-bye.